All right, let's set you up for what we're going to be watching tomorrow before the bell. Earnings, Scarlett, this time from Walgreens.
Yeah, and of course, this is going to be really critical in terms of what they say about consumer spending. Obviously, they have the prescription business, but they really count on people to just buy things on their way to picking up their prescriptions.
Yeah, I don't know. That seems a little passive. We're also going to get some economic data tomorrow morning as well, starting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time.
Jobless claims, that's a weekly number for all of us keeping track of what's going on with the labor picture, but also the third and final read of the first quarter GDP number, which is expected to be upgraded to 1.4% growth.
Well, it might be interesting to see if we get an upgrade on the home sales side. We had new home sales today showing a lot of softness out there. We get pending home sales tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.
Yeah, and that's been a big question of affordability continues to dog the home housing market, even though demand is very, very hot.
Yeah, we had a great conversation earlier with Robert Refkin over at Compass, and he actually sees some light at the end of the tunnel, but he also sees that tethered to rates coming down.
Absolutely.
But he thinks that could happen sometime by the end of the year. And
as does the entire market.
But he says that sweet spot right now is if you can get a average mortgage rate to about that 6% level, that would really open up the market. Also, earnings after the bell tomorrow, another read on consumer spending, this time on Nike.
Yeah, Nike, of course, has had its own issues, and it's been trying to streamline things and make it so they're not selling sneakers of every color and stripe in markets all over the world.
And then later that night, of course, we will have the first presidential debate of this U.S. election cycle. Full coverage right here on Bloomberg.